Hi everybody, I know lots of you are baking cookies right now, and I pulled out an old recipe from a cookbook that I've had since before I was married. It's from the Better Homes and Gardens. It's Cookies for Kids. I don't even know if they still make this, but there's a recipe in here for Cyclops. They called it Cyclops. Some people call it peanut butter blossoms. I'm going to show you how I'm making them. These are so stinking cute. I think you're going to love them. Take a look. Little paw prints. So let me show you how to make these. They're so cute. Everybody's going to love them, especially if you have dog lovers in the family. You need some discs. So these are wide. Okay, so that's going to be the main paw, and then we're going to use regular chocolate chips for the other. So you're going to start by, and put them in upside down. That way the curve will come in, okay, or go inward. And then just take 4 chocolate chips. And these just came out, okay? So the cookie is still warm. I used the medium-sized scoop to make these. And they will be big enough then to hold all of these chocolate chips. So the recipe is from the Better Homes and Gardens website too. I will post it. The one change that I made, I'll finish this one over here. The one change that I made is instead of shortening, I used a stick of unsalted butter, and because that's actually what it says in my old cookbook anyway, and it's gonna taste better. And if I don't have to use shortening, I'm not going to, but I've got you these cute little cookies. Now, who do you know that would enjoy these guys? So a couple of cookie tips for you. When you are baking cookies on your baking stone, let them, I like to heat up the stone first, by the way, before I add the cookie dough. And then when they come out, let them sit for 2 minutes before you add them to your cooling rack, okay? So with these cookies, you want to make sure that that chocolate cools so that it's not gooey anymore. I mean, it would be delicious, I'm sure, but it's going to be messy. So if you're going to put these on a cookie tray for somebody who's a dog lover, do let them sit up a little bit first, and they will love them. So I hope this idea is something that you'll have fun trying. I have a friend who has been helping us a lot with training Teddy, and I'm bringing her some of these today, and I know she's going to love them. What do you think? Are you going to give these a try? I hope you do, and let me know how you how they go over at your house for your family. I think these are going to be delicious. Thanks for joining me. Watch the comments. I'll post the recipe if you need one, or just use your regular peanut butter blossom recipe and do the little chocolate trick like this. All right, take care, everyone.